I just got home late last night from our Balkans tour trip plus Barcelona, and I haven't even put out all of those videos yet because I have to hurry up and put this one out. I have had so many requests for part 2 of my Cadence containers reviews that I actually need to stop editing all of my vacation footage and do this video as soon as possible. I'm gonna literally get them out of my bag from my flight last night. They are in here. This was my liquids. Here they are. Let's review them. Okay. Okay, let's chat. First of all, we need to talk about video number 1. If you guys haven't already seen it, you probably should watch that one first. I unboxed the Cadence capsules that I had purchased, and I filled them up with all of the liquids I was going to bring to my trip to Paris for 10 days. Now, I did go on that trip, I did use them, and then I was pretty much still undecided. So that's why this video has taken so long, because I wanted to use them on my second 10-day trip to really give a really thorough review and give you guys my full decision. If you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the button down below. It will really help us out. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I review travel related things. I help you pack. I give you travel hacks to help you travel as much as my husband and I do. And then when we travel, we do travel vlogs. We want to show you guys our trip. Please subscribe, like, and comment, especially if you have any questions. We love answering all of your guys' questions. Like I said, here are my Cadence capsules, straight from my liquid bag. P.S. You don't need to buy some stupid liquid carry-on bag. Just use a baggie, okay? Save yourself some money. Put that towards a different trip. You can really tell that they're a little messy. I guess they're not completely leak-proof. Something is leaking, and I think I know what it is, but we'll get into that later. On this last trip, I did shampoo and conditioner, cleanser for my face moisturizer. I did my Hydratint, which is an SPF and kind of foundation mixed together. And then this one, on my last trip to Paris, used body wash in it, and then this time around I put my actual liquid foundation in it because my liquid foundation is pretty much double the size of that, and it would take up way too much space in this container. Okay, so first I'm gonna talk about what I absolutely loved about these capsules. I did absolutely love that, ooh, they are magnetic. I mean, that is honestly the best part. Then the cap isn't falling into everything and rolling around. They are just super magnetic, and that is very helpful, especially when you need to just go gather them all up. Here they are, super magnetic. Even one day I said, Brian, can you help me? Can you go get my Cadence stuff from the bathroom so I can pack it? And he's like, oh, this is so convenient. So he was pretty impressed by that. So I can say that is absolutely amazing. The second thing that I love is how small they actually are. Before this last trip, on our Balkans trip, I really thought about putting my shampoo and conditioner in my bigger plastic containers just to be able to bring a little bit more. And then I said, no, Lauren, you need to use the Cadence ones to give a full review. So I actually did do that, but nothing beats the size of these. You guys saw how much space it took up in my plastic bag. You cannot beat the size of these. I did not use this one for the body wash this time. The only reason that I swapped that out is really just because every hotel you're gonna stay in is going to have body wash there. It may not be the one that you love, it may not be the best scent, but it is free to use. So I used my capsule for something else and I made it my liquid foundation instead. So just so you guys are completely aware of that, that is a change from the first half of the video that I am going to link in the description box if you guys haven't already watched it. Now, the negatives I can say are that even though I was super impressed with the size, I don't feel like it was enough really for the shampoo and conditioner. And I do have short hair. My hair is short, but my hair is super thick. And I really didn't feel like I could get the appropriate amount needed to wash my hair. Now, I am a professional hairstylist. It is my day job, night job, everyday job. YouTube is not my job. And I do know how much shampoo to use, and it's really just enough to actually get a lather going. And I probably needed this entire capsule. It's empty now, as you can see, to get a lather going on my hair. So this is probably maybe 1 day's worth if you're not washing your hair every day. I wash my hair about 2 times on a vacation if I'm not going to a beach. And this was really probably enough for 1 shampoo, but I stretched it out and used it for 2. And I really was scooping out every single last drop to be able to do that on my hair. Now, conditioner was enough for me because you're really only supposed to condition the ends of your hair, and because my hair is short, this was an appropriate amount. If you have hair down to your butt, or you have blonde hair, or you are swimming in an ocean, these are probably not going to be enough for you, and you're going to need to bring a bigger container just of shampoo and conditioner. However, these containers for anything skincare related, they were amazing. I, like I said, have cleanser, moisturizer, SPF, and foundation. It was a perfect amount. These I have not refilled since the Paris trip, which was a month ago now. The cleanser, I've had more than enough of. The moisturizer, more than enough of. The SPF Hydratint, more than enough of, and my foundation as well. So honestly, I'm either going to keep using these every day or keep these in these containers for when I travel again in 3 weeks, because I'm totally gonna bring them to Puerto Rico with me when I go with my friend. Thank you, Cadence, for making these. I did really enjoy them. I'm probably gonna bring the shampoo and conditioner with me on the next trip, only because I'm only gone for a weekend, and I think that that'll be an appropriate amount for a beach trip, because I will probably wash my hair twice in that weekend, just because I'm going to be in oceans and pools. So I think this is enough for a weekend. I do not think that this is enough for a 10-day trip if you have a lot of hair, or a week-long beach trip where you have to wash your hair every day. Now, if Cadence made some that are maybe twice the size for shampoo and conditioner for that reason, I think that that would be a really nice thing to do. All of the containers are only these little sizes at the current time, and I think if they made bigger ones, I would definitely take advantage and buy those. So Cadence, if you're listening, make a little bit bigger for shampoo and conditioner. These are total appropriate size for everything else. Now, also in that video, I gave you guys a fun little hack about using a contact container for the little bit of face products that you might need. I filled mine up with serum and with eye cream, because you only need a little bit of amount right there, or enough serum to go all over your face. And I can say the little amount in this contact container has been enough for these 2 trips. So Cadence, if you're listening, make bigger ones of these for shampoo and conditioner, and make smaller little ones with the same magnetic capsules for little amounts of liquid that you might need, like serum or eye cream. But of course, if you don't make that, then we're just gonna keep using contact containers, because they're cheap and extremely easy to travel with. Look at how tiny that was compared to these. So with that being said, I would suppose that this is a very good review. I love these. I think they're worth the money. The amount of space that they save in your one little liquid bag is completely worth the money that you're going to spend. Like I said, my only thing was making one size bigger for shampoo and conditioner, and then one size smaller for other things. So Cadence, if you're listening to me, You're welcome. Let's do that together. I'll work with you. And with this messiness, I don't really know what was happening. It's messy. I don't really think that it's leaking, but I don't really have another explanation for it. So every morning I just kind of wiped it off after using it and stuck it back in my bag and went on about my day. Of course, on this trip, I was in a different hotel room every single night, so I did have to keep repacking everything. All right, so that is my short and sweet Cadence review. I hope you guys like them. I do hope that you end up purchasing them. I do think that it is going to help when you pack all of your liquids to go on your trip. If you do end up buying them, please let me know what colors you get and what you end up filling them up with. Let me know in a comment down below. These would even be good if you're not going to use them for all the different skincares that I used, where maybe you have a couple capsules for yourself, a couple capsules for your kids, a couple capsules for your husband or boyfriend, or you know, even if you're a guy watching this. I think Brian was a little jealous and that he wanted to use the capsules too. So please, again, let me know if you get them. Thank you so much for watching. I have to go to work now because I'm home from vacation. And I think all my clients missed me a little bit. I was gone for 10 days. So I'm not jet lagged at all, honestly. I slept the whole flight home, woke up, worked on the vlog a little bit, came back here, went to bed, woke up at 6 a.m. Ready to go. No jet lag. Always sleep on your flight. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.